asumdue dia asumdue wa masitem ne man na obi biara ntia na mo nya adwe pampa mo man Ghana na Ghana for ye nya mo bone wo ko jiska na adwo a ewia ne anopa captain smart papa wani ase no I said wo de o ya konkru no Ofosu Ampofo ayabo pa ram captain smart fa ram for wa dia dia ta se wo ka kata wani na utunya menyom di guso eba mpa eguso na obesu be stu captain smart besu there is one say so usu captain smart enye so papa so chinchim ani ase be mo chinchim na ani ase su ebe su tro stu edi gu Ghana so wa we sa die we na akodan captain smart aya ho ton Ghana for egusa unti aya ho ton say no wanu mo fo oba be fo dia since captain smart so wan nya adwen pone Uno Ofosu Ampofo no mo we di sam na mo sha na adwoa wo ko je bribe wo sorry wo ko papa we wo ko na no office ko da o ma de san wo ko to nko ba na wa da no anu so nsuo wo fi ho no mo na be ade achi na be track na bo ni trisua na ya na wo yire di papa na ye na o ka sa wo ya hwan ya me be tia ka wa ji so bia wa ya na so pa maka na kuna ndia ka ta be sha da be because of the bribe, no, not to a say, yeah, or them.
What be but Captain Smart, over free SHS, Quasia, you did not tell me. This is the man who can give the whole Ghana free senior high school. This is the president, the only president in the whole Africa. Obedeka said, go to school free. I'll pay. Jimmy Ford say, Captain Smart, let me see. Jimmy na Jimmy Ogana no. Take your time, because you will be relevant for now because who can draw very soon will be irrelevant. Once you go for starting who draw now who can. For a hospital, it's almost 90% complete. And then you John Dramani Mahama and the complete year will be assigned. I was for them Yano. And this is for one from whom you will. Samusha Sia, Munda in a Captain Smart or a Mamboini. And this is way. If you are behind this conspiracy, stop. Because potentially, Mutimisabe rule many PM. John Dramani Mahama, former president, if you are behind this conspiracy, stop. Because potentially, the NDC fraternity, there goes an air time. This kind of false publication, stories that make Ghana look unpopular everywhere, distorted rhetoric. Why are we doing this? Because our poor bit is a Captain Smart. Jimmy phobia ne mami anhwɛ no. No papa anhwɛ mo. Ohini David abuo bi oti baabi. One go school ni mu nyansa ntino. What information free Ghana? Open news we say today you are being paid $100 from YouTube. Tomorrow, it will never be there. Because the world is evolving. Eventually, baby, you say, Jimmy and Munya Bim. To say, I will say, Mudi, among for who did dear, a superchat. A superchat, it will come to an end. I tell you, all this that you are doing, one day, a superchat. And then I will get $200, $300 from YouTube because you are using this fake publication, insults, deformation of characters to earn this YouTube money. It will come to an end. It will come to an end. Because the world will never be like this as we see it. The world will move on. Because you want to eat today, tomorrow you will be miserable. I'm telling Captain Smart, Kwaku Sket, Marama Kwabuadu, yes, oh baby, so come in the deal. Well, no, trauma me, or every video really can Japan attempt. Oba see, I was on for look at my teeth. Oba see, simproya, or baby. And then me, no, na can do a temple, I must say, na can, Uho Benum in the sea. Or Benum see, the certain time, a top from said, ye, Agrica Blue Amboye. Now, I food to say, a poor Jimmy Phoebe, to say, Prequa, or did you a form? And so a deacon at your point, because Kevin Taylor also. I was your for. I'm going to crave Van Nipper. So, what kind of wants them be brain and you cry? And you put in a coupon pejano. Speak about Canada Pong. 1 million times, God will forever bless that man. Ghana, we are tired. We are sick and tired of these stupid people. And to me, for Dawson, one Dawson. And one Dawson too much. Me say maybe I almost see. Ah, go ahead, I tell him, Oba Pepe. Oba wawo mema. Ne ma mema nyi ko henu. Kwasia mudi oba we atem. Na wa he wo yire. Wa he wo nua ba, wa he wo ma mesi odigu nanum. Wo ma mesi a odida wura mu ho. Mudi nkofo atem because obi anka mo he. Me see the gentility of social media for us ending. Say ye mabie ye ma, but ye ba e oja. Because mon see obi a because you have been paid to do so. Beware, the day of reckoning is coming. Nyame baba. Na nyame maya, we will respond. You better respond with fire, with brimstone. Ejimi forma. Ejimi forma ya wumu ayantetemu. Ejimi forma ayanhwemu. Mudi mani briko winko foso. Na wa mobra ukromu hini and I'll do problem for swan. Go and ask your mothers. Abrabona ya omudan. Kobi sa o mami se eye den wa mobra. Mu mami mu se bi producer e gba hyewo de wo mu no mema na nyi o. Mu mami no mu gba hyewo na de wo mu. So you are bitter. Mu mami no mu gba hyewo. Sabe mema duasa. E de wo twi di o mu dako e de wo mu no. You people are bitter. Kobi sa o mami why ye didn't go to one corner of the producer. Obaba na hem so de ba hyewo aboa. Ukrodi go for what we need trust the what. Would you do my matter and yet there because woman me oya hyewo. Ye do what time and yet there. Kamama mentina kura no more brand hyewo. Because you are bitter because your mother was a whore. Uma me a whore inti seven producer. Papa no who said we are tuntumno and also there be menye no dwane jao. You have been bitter since your entire time. Until who obi a obo brabia there be because uma me ahye wona o boy no edware. And you know the impulse of this issue. Nipa bia wo wi ase wo ye oba na mmema bebre fa wo a. Akora be wo no sa honhum ni nyina edware no. Kevin Taylor honhum na edware no. It is because uma me ahye wona o boy na. And you think we will not say it? We will say it. Go to hell. Uba power hini no didn't come because now I'm power. Me see uba power hini no. I am uba power hini now. O good them now I'm power because uma me bo show na de share no. Uni trust you what? Aboa o cross one no de din of watem. Aboa ntoliwa. Me see e bi bo wa o ma me ahye wa o mo de bo o mo no. Eno na edi o mu nya wo mutrim. You have been intoxicated by the fact that o ma me ahyewo. Na o papa wa anyi because ahyewo ni na o papa di no no. O se won nyewo. That is why you are bitter with even your own father. Because papa no oji ubia kwasia kabintela uni twase wati. Aboa. E wo se yentimi nim atem di o. He ye ye nkwasia medinka ka se me ase ni kurase ni. Me yadishia me di ade but masa o kanu anka ni ya me de hyehyam ne to nkyɛn me di watam bi rough Ghana panifo na mo di o matam ne de ye mo bi ye crusaders ye so be di matam se monya new paradigm bi na mo di panifo atam we also create a new avenue to respond to you muwasefo muankurasefo a sabe makotena Germany akotena US a munsu anyansa de minim ina minim se so bia to kwan a yesi sebi akwantu e biani na me nse sa akwantu we Ghana for mubi ekatani. I have never in my life baby am to kwan akọ bia no